Hey everyone, on today's episode of Common Problems, we're going to talk about worn soft top straps on Honda S2000s. Worn soft top straps are a common problem with Honda S2000s of all years. The soft top straps I'm talking about sit underneath the top and hold tension between these two parts of the soft top frame. The soft top straps are designed to pull the soft top frame back so that it folds correctly when dropping the top. When the elastic straps are worn, the soft top frame doesn't get pulled back and ends up sticking out like this. Over time, this will put unnecessary stress on the soft top fabric and wear a hole into the fabric if ignored for too long. I've seen some videos that recommend pushing the soft top frame back manually when dropping the top, but this is just a band-aid solution. If you've discovered that your Honda S2000 has worn soft top straps, you have a couple of options. The first option is to go to the dealer or a soft top specialist and have the soft top straps replaced with OEM soft top straps. This will likely end up costing a few $100s due to the cost of OEM parts and the labor required to replace the OEM rivets. Another option is to replace your soft top straps with aftermarket soft top straps made by Modify. The Modify soft top straps are beefier than the OEM straps and only cost $20. Additionally, the Modify soft top straps don't require professional installation. I've installed a few set of Modify soft top straps and couldn't be happier. The Modify soft top straps come with detailed installation instructions and are extremely easy to install. They work by inserting pins into the existing OEM rivets. Once inserted into the rivets, all that is needed is to loop the straps around the soft top frame to keep the straps locked into place. It's a brilliant design and I highly recommend this product. If you've encountered this problem and solved it yourself, comment down below with a solution that worked out for you.